one of the 5 things that the YouTube algorithm wants you to start doing as from now is to create content that your audience want to watch. Welcome to Online Money with Peter. One thing that the YouTube algorithm wants you to do starting from now when creating your content is to start creating your content that is at par with what your audience wants to watch. Now, this has to do with the particular niche you are in. If you are in the finance niche, your content should be on finance. If your content is on football, if your niche is on football, your content has to be on football. If your niche is on storytelling, your content needs to be tailored to storytelling. All right. So you have to find out what your audience love to watch. Now, if you find out what your audience wants to watch and you create a content that meets the requirement of what your audience wants to watch, your audience are going to watch your videos, and not only that, they will subscribe, and then you will have a lot of views. Now, let me give you an instance as a business person. Let's say as a business person, you find out a need in a particular area, all right, and you discover that in a particular area, what they need in that area is good, clean, potable water. All right, good, clean, potable water. After you research, you find out that this is what the people want in this particular and in a particular area. And then you go back and put all your resources together and then go to this area and plant your pure water factory and produce clean, pure, potable water for these people. What have you done? You have met their need. They need clean water, and you have provided clean water for them in that area. What do you think is going to happen to your company? A lot of people are going to buy your pure water because they have lack of good potable water in that area. And this will translate into you making a lot of money in that space, even before that competitor starts coming in. You see, because you have met a need in a particular area, your sales would increase, and it will translate into you making a lot of profit. Now, when you bring it home now to content creation, and then you find out what your audience would love to watch, and then you give your audience what they would love to watch, what do you think will happen? They'll be watching more of your content. And amazingly, the resources that we need for us to know what our audience would love to watch is made available to us. You can find such in vidIQ, in TubeBuddy, even on YouTube. YouTube is the second most used search engine in the world today. All right, and several other platforms as well. You can find out what kind of videos your audience love to watch, or what kind of videos that people are searching for. What does people want to watch? What kind of content do they want? Let me give you another example. Let's assume that people are looking for how to edit their videos professionally. And then you know how to edit videos professionally. And then you create content around that on how to edit videos professional. And then you give it to your audience. What do you think will happen? You have given them what they want, and this will translate into views, and then subscriber base will increase because people want to watch more of your videos because they believe that we are giving them what they want. And if YouTube algorithm sees that you are giving your audience what they want and they are watching your content, what do you think the YouTube algorithm is going to do? The YouTube algorithm is going to promote your videos. You don't have to toggle this on or toggle that on. I'm not saying it is wrong to toggle this or toggle that on. What I'm saying is that when you give your audience what they want to watch, it will translate into more views. And if it translates into more views, what will happen? YouTube would know that people love to watch your content and YouTube will promote your videos. Can you see that? Right? It will be wrong of you if you create content based on what you think. Because what you think does not matter here. It's what the people want. What you think might be at variance with what the people want. But if what you think is at par with what the people want, it's good. Alright, so the first thing that the YouTube algorithm wants you to do is to create content that your audience would love to watch. And if you create content that your audience wants to watch and you're getting a lot of views, YouTube would going to spread, promote your content as a record label would do for a good artist. So you can see that. Now, if you want me to do a video on these several platforms that you can use to know what people love to watch, please kindly drop a comment in the comment section, and I'm going to do a video on how to know what people are searching for, how to know what your audience would love to watch, so that you, as from now, you begin to create content that your audience would love to watch. Alright, now the second thing that YouTube algorithm wants you to do is to have a good title. A good title. Because how would people know what you are offering to them if your title is not an attractive title? Let me say, for example, a title is like a name, alright? A name of a product, alright? Like the pure water, for example. If you have a pure water company, the water you are producing, all right, will have a name on it. All right, it's the name on the water that will tell the people the kind of water you are giving to them. All right, so title is very, very key. All right, okay, and this title, after you found out what the people want to watch, for example, the people want to know how to edit videos professionally, all right, and then you title your content, your video, on how to edit videos professionally step by step. You see that is a good title. The title flows along with the content you are creating, right? But if your title is different from the video, the content that you are creating or you have created, you see that there'll be a conflict. Your title is something and the video is something else. So the title of your video is very, very, very key. Right? So you must get your title right. Right? Your title must be at par with the video that you are creating. And then the next thing that the YouTube algorithm wants from you is thumbnail. Right? Thumbnail. What is thumbnail? Thumbnail is what the people see right before they click your video, just like a billboard. The thumbnail is like a billboard that people see. If the billboard is attractive, is captivating, people want to know more about the product. And that's why people spend a lot of money. Business organizations spend a lot of money to have a very good billboard, because the billboard tells a lot about the product. The billboard advertises the product. With the billboard, the product, no matter how good it is, if the billboard is not attractive, people will not have interest in the product. So also thumbnail. If you have a good product, a good title, but your thumbnail is unattractive, it's not captivating, people wouldn't want to click to watch. So the thumbnail can be seen as a bait that attracts people to your video. And that is why you must carefully select the resources you put together to create a thumbnail. You can learn this from your competitors as well. Right? If you don't know how to create a good thumbnail, there are other platforms that you can go, like Upwork and the rest. You find out somebody there, professional thumbnail creators that can help you. Even there are some software as well that can help you create good thumbnail. So you must invest your time on a very good, captivating, eye-catchy thumbnail. So the YouTube algorithm wants you to create a good video that the people love to watch, a good title, and a good thumbnail. If you have a good video, how will the people watch it to know that your video is good? If you don't have a good thumbnail that attracts them to your channel, if you don't have a good title that attracts them to your channel, that attracts them to your video, all right? So you must invest a lot of time in the title, the thumbnail, and in the video. All right. Another thing, now the fourth thing now the YouTube algorithm wants from you as a content creator is engagement. YouTube algorithm wants engagement between you and your audience. All right. When there is an engagement between you and your audience, it's like you have formed a community of friends, a community of business partners, a community of people that want to grow together, that want to learn together. And to get this done, you need to once in a while let your audience know to click like, to share, and to comment. When your audience click the like video and they also share it and comment, it's a good sign to YouTube algorithm that the people like your video. And as a result of this as well, the YouTube algorithm will promote your video. Can you see that? You do not have to pay the YouTube algorithm to promote your videos. You don't have to pay a dime. Just as these music artists, many of them do not have money. It's the record label that spend their money promoting the music artists, because they know that if the music artists, sing good songs and give the people what they want, they are going to make return on their investment. So there are so many artists there that do not have money to promote themselves. It's a record label that promote their songs for them. In the same vein, you are not paying the YouTube algorithm to promote your content. If you give the YouTube algorithm what it wants, it will promote your content for you. Create videos that people love to watch. Give your video good title. Have a good thumbnail that people can click and watch. And then encourage engagement. Encourage the people to like, to share, and to comment. And not only that, you have to also respond to their comment. There must be interaction between you and your audience. So the YouTube is going to be your friend, promoting your videos to the rest of the world. Can you see that? Now, the fifth thing that you need to do for YouTube to be your friend and to promote your content, the fifth thing that you need to do that the YouTube algorithm wants you to do is to keep on doing these four things I have mentioned. They are very, very important. Continue to do this. You have to be hardworking. You don't have to be lazy. You have to spend quality time. Even if you upload video once a week, spend quality time creating videos that your audience wants to watch. All right? Create time to give good titles to your videos. Create time to design good, captivating thumbnails, and also encourage engagement. When you did these four things consistently, making it consistently is now the fifth one. You are doing it all the time. You see that you are giving YouTube algorithm what it wants, and it's going to promote your videos for you. All right. I want to believe that you find this video captivating. All right. I want you to try this now. Don't be in a rush to create a content. I want you to take some time and try this. Find out what your audience wants to watch. Even if it's going to take you a lot of hours, a lot of days, find out what your audience wants to watch and create your content around that. Now, like I said previously, if you want me to create a video on how to find out or how to know what our audience wants to watch, kindly drop the comment in the section. All right, and I'm going to create a video relating to that, because there are platforms that are available for us to use to find out. Some of us, we know these platforms, but we don't know how to use this platform to find out what our audience wants to watch. Right, like I said, TubeBuddy is there, vidIQ is there, the YouTube itself is there, and so on and so forth. All right. So kindly like this video if you find it interesting, if you find value in this video. Please like this video. Please also share so that others will benefit from this. All right, and also drop your comment in the comment section. I will highly appreciate every of your comment. Please do this so that YouTube algorithm will recommend this video to other people, so that other small channels, new channels that want to grow, when they have this information, their channels also will boom, will grow. And if you try this and it works for you, please kindly contact me in the comment section. All right, just drop a comment that it works. Actually, I tried these 5 tools and it worked for me, and the YouTube algorithm promoted my content, my video, and I have a lot of views and subscribers. Together, let us work, to grow our respective channel. If you are a new YouTuber, you are welcome to this channel. Please stick around, because subsequently I'm going to be giving you more videos on how you can grow your YouTube channel and get monetized as quickly as possible. So I'm going to see you next time with another captivating and interesting video that is good for you. Until next time, do have a great time. Bye-bye.